So my name is Sebastian, and I'm the owner of Lavasalt Consulting based out of Melbourne. I'm actually a chef by trade and a teacher as well at the Le Cordon Bleu, Melbourne. And being a consultant, a foodie myself, cooking for the last 22 years is something that I love doing. And for me, it's just an opportunity to engage with people, and hence the reason why Lavasalt Consulting began. So what we're really doing today is we're just putting together people that enjoy each other's company and to come together with food being the key ingredient. Sitting around the table, having a conversation just like that, cooking together, weighing up ingredients, working out what's right, what is not right, and coming up as a team to serve each course. The plan is to understand the recipe, to see which recipe fits together in what category, and then to work out the step. What goes first? What gets done first? That creates conversation. That creates people to ask each other what should be done next. And that, I think, is what makes great teams. Because cooking is the sum of people working together in tandem to create a delicious meal. Food brings people together. It actually creates great memories. So what we actually is happening right here is today is a day for them and for me that's going to be etched in their memory as a place, a time, and an opportunity to come together on food. To me, food should do that. Food creates that wonderful feeling where you take God-given ingredients that have been made in such beauty and put it together as delicious morsels of food. That to me is the beauty of food. For the menu today, we've actually put together 4 courses. The first one's actually a meze plate. It's a combination of various bite-sized morsels. We've got a combination of a trio of dips. We've got a tzatziki, we've got an avocado, and a spicy avocado, so to speak. And we've also got a black bean hummus, served with homemade crackers, seeded crackers. We also got a lovely watermelon and a feta and balsamic salsa that's being served on corn chips. And finally, we've got these really pretty looking bird's nests that are filled with spiced chickpeas, a tahini caramel, and a pomegranate molasses water. With the entree, we've got a red curry pumpkin soup with a papaya and a curry leaf and a pumpkin share and tear bread. And for the third course, it is the beautiful classic Italian gnocchi served with a lovely Penfolds Cab Sav jus, along with a creamy sauce that's going to be hit with a bit of grilled courgettes, parmesan, and a classic poor man's parmesan known as panna cottata. And for that sweet treat in the end, for the fourth course, we've got a Bailey's infused pudding that's made with croissants and a parfait that's infused with Kahlua. I hope they like it, and I hope you will like it too. I think the teams have gone pretty well. You can actually watch me as they go. They're cooking, they're serving, they're laughing. They are just excited about really enjoying each other's company. And hopefully, if they're forcing themselves to talk, food makes you do that. I think teams have done really well. I'm very impressed with what I've seen. And the food that we've actually put together for them in terms of the menu, they're not easy recipes, they're complex. And they still managed to come together and make a beautiful meal. To just bring people together over food, to be excited with relationships. To me, this is the crux of it. That to me as a chef makes me super happy. If you want to do more activities like this and really get people and teams together, you can email me at sebastian@lavasaltconsulting.com, or you can just go to the website and you can find me. I'm a Melbourne-based boy, so it's not very hard to find me.